What's up, everybody? Pete the Hybrid Guy here, and I am bringing you some interesting news. Actually, I'm bringing you some really cool news. I've talked a little bit about this company called Plug-Out Power before, and they have an inverter system, and this looks super crazy, but I'm going to talk about it and show you what this thing can do. And right now, I've got it just charging my really old iPod. But what I want to do, this is kind of a first system test of the capabilities of the Plug-Out Power System and what it can do. If you're somebody who wants to go camping in your Prius, or if you want to host an event in your Prius, or do anything that requires electricity, man, you have an onboard generator given your motor generator, and you can utilize that through this system to do a lot of really cool things. And you know, one of the things that I like to do with my car is vacuum it. And my car just kicked on, not a big deal, it's just doing its thing. But this system works in conjunction with the car running. It utilizes the hybrid battery, and then we can plug in up to, right now we're 120 volts, we can go up to 240 volts. Okay, using this transformer and this inverter system. So I'm going to go ahead and kick on my vacuum and show you that it works. So let's kick on the vacuum. So what I just did there, and I apologize for all the noises around me, I was out on the farm, so what we're seeing here is this system effectively taking what we're getting out of our hybrid battery, and we're converting it, right? We're inverting it into usable power, and then we can actually boost it up to a higher voltage or down to a more usable voltage, like on this vacuum. And we can use it to do all sorts of things. Now, if I had a blender here and I had a bunch of friends out, man, I would hook up and we could have margaritas. It's almost 5 o'clock where I live. But I wanted to give everybody just an update. We're going to do some more testing with this. We're going to do some more really cool things with this system. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and shut it all down, and I'll get back to you a little bit later. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'm happy to answer any questions you have about this particular system. This is the 5 kilowatt system, and it does come in a 3 kilowatt system. There also is a code for 5% off if you wanted to order this particular setup, and I'll drop that in the comments below as well. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate everybody that does so. It helps me grow and do cool videos and stuff like this. So talk to you later. Thanks. Have a great day.